How to clear listening history on Spotify or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Spotify on a device. Now go to your library. Now tap on profile at the top left corner. Now simply tap on recents. Now as you can see there is no option to clear the recent history. Now simply go back, tap on the profile and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on account. Now simply go back as there is no option for the history. Again scroll down and tap on privacy. Now as you, now as you can see there is no option to clear the history of the recently listened music. The only thing you can do is simply disable the toggle for recently played artist. You can also try out private sessions, so this will not record any listening history on Spotify. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.